Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? Okay. I did not see this coming. All right. Okay. So we had a hammer, and then obviously so I had not been making these videos on Forex for last 2-3 weeks because people are thankless. So they don't deserve my videos. That's the truth. And I give you free money and you don't even show your support. So you don't really deserve my content. Okay. It's just what it is. If you think you're too smart, then good luck to you. And here we had, so when I see these candles in weekly chart, I just smile, and I see the money is there right there on the table just to be taken. So this candle on 15th September, you see this bullish hammer. I knew at that time that the coming week is going to be bullish for USDJPY, and the same happens for other pairs too. Okay, on purpose, I did not make the video when I saw this bullish hammer, because I told you, people are thankless. People are so, filled with ego. Oh, why would I subscribe to his channel? Why would I like his video? So, if you have ego, I have more than you. Okay. So, on purpose, I did not come and make these free videos, because if I come and give you the analysis, if I tell you here, this is your bullish hammer, then go and buy, next week is going to be long, then you will get free money. But what do I get from you? Nothing, right? So let's be fair. Right now I'm making the videos just to, because I want to, not because, I have to. So right now what is happening is we have broken above the EMI. Let's get back to daily chart. In daily, this is your uptrend pullback. So we're going to go up 4 hours. It's already pullback happened when I'm entering. Let's come back here. So daily is your pullback. Okay, enter pullback. So your entry will be as soon this red candle is engulfed by the next blue candle. Okay, wait for the next blue candle to eat this first red candle, and that will be your long entry. Profit will be 1:2. Okay, that's free money. All right, nobody else is doing this for free. Yes, what they do is they make 2 minutes videos in which they say go and buy my paid membership and everything else. They're not wrong, it's fine. But what they do is they only tell you trend is up, look for longs, trend is down, look for shorts. What I told you for free is worth thousands of dollars. Okay, I owe you nothing, and if you make money from my videos, you owe me the money. So if you listen to me, you will make money. So better you forget everything I said. Okay, forget everything I said, brainwash yourself. I have told you nothing. Okay, don't follow me, because if you follow me, if you listen to me, you will make money. So keep your ego. Don't subscribe to my channel. Don't subscribe and don't join and do nothing. Okay, just go and make free money from my videos and give me nothing. Understood? And I will probably start making these videos. Let's see. It's not your fault. Let me tell you this: it is not your fault. It is my fault. I'm giving this to public for free. Okay, it's my fault. I'm an idiot. Subscribe, like, blah 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 if you want to, which we discussed in the beginning. Swing trading automation. This is for people who don't want to do manual trading, and join free Telegram and do all of that we have discussed in the beginning. No point to repeat. Okay, and let's see if I want to continue this or not, and for how long I can see whatever. Okay, so I'll see you. Maybe I'll see you in my next videos. Who knows? Take care.